beautiful friends, welcome back to Sister and Me. Today we will be making Valentine's Day slime. We are using clear glue, magical liquid, foam balls, heart confetti, and heart beads. Let's get started! Okay, we're going to put the whole bottle of clear glue. Okay, do you want to put it in? That's good. Oh, it still has more in there. Okay, that's good. Okay, I think that should be enough. Close it up. The 1/4 cup of magical liquid. Still look like yellow. Okay, let's mix.
Mix it up. It looks like yellow because the spoon's inside. That looks cool. That does look like spider webs.
Okay, add these, the heart confetti. Add a little bit of heart confetti.
That good?
It looks like it.
I'm just gonna put a little bit more. Looks beautiful. Okay, now the hearts. Heart beads. These are hard to take out. I'm just gonna do this.
But this is gonna be a lot in the slime.
I'm gonna put like 2 more scoops. Okay, that's good. Now some balls.
Foam balls. A little bit foam balls.
Go out of my hand quickly. That good?
I
want to spill. Okay, it's
I think.
Keep mixing.
This is gonna be a really cool Valentine's Day slime.
Whoa, that looks like. Whoa.
Okay, I think
so much confetti balls.
Yeah, I think it's ready to play with.
Let's just use our hands. Is it sticky?
A little.
Oh, yeah, that is a little sticky. Okay, let's take it out. Take it out.
Okay, we're gonna mix on the counter.
Mix it. Mix it with our hands. Mix it.
Okay, foam balls are falling out.
Yeah, foam balls are falling out. Why is it so sticky? It's really sticky. Is light supposed to be this sticky? Take the slime. Oh, it feels weird. So sticky. It's stretchy too.
Do you want to add more beads or confetti?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna do it with this hand. This one is. I'm just gonna pour it. Okay. Pour it in.
Okay, that looks like a lot.
Yeah, I'm gonna add more confetti too. Okay, add more confetti. Then slime.
Do you want to play with slime?
Yes. That is a lot of confetti hearts.
Yes, there's a lot of confetti hearts.
I accidentally put too much.
It's okay. Not a lot anymore.
Yeah. This looks better. It has weird sounds when you do this.
Okay, let's cut it.
This is really sticky now when I use both of my hands.
Okay, you can play with that piece, and I'll play with this piece. Whoa. Stretchy. It's like super sticky now. How do you do that? It's not sticky. Oh. Clap with the slime. Clap. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And get a huge thumbs up. And remember, be kind to others. And make new friends. Happy Valentine's Day. Bye.